We're going up on the York City walls. Oh, that's a good view of our hotel. The Grand York. York Minster in the distance. This is a walled city.
Dad, you think that?
And it's all pretty much still intact due to restoration. Some sort of war memorial. Cool. Can you imagine being one of those soldiers like on guard duty on the wall 1,000 years ago with your bow and arrow right here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at this embankment that they had to make. It was all done by hand. Watch your step. There's Clifford's Tower. Seemed to have had some flooding off the river. Clifford's Tower. It's another Norman era building. It was actually a keep. It was restored recently on the interior.
Did you see my hand in my pocket over here?
Yeah, dog. We're about to go in and check it out. Oh, fireplace. I bet it did get cold in here.
Stairs like we moved up today. Yay!
We love those, don't we?
Yeah. Totally. You can see the old one was all pre-recorded, right?
Yeah.